Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Roder Support. I just want to take you through the setting up and initial install of our latest masterpiece, Union. As you can see at the moment, I've just got a basic fresh WordPress install. There's very little in there at the moment, and hopefully that's the stage you're starting at too, and we'll just go through the steps and how to get you set up just like the demo. Okay, so we've made things very straightforward, but there are some initial steps you always need to take when installing a new theme. First we need to actually install the theme to our WordPress site, so just add it like you would any other WordPress theme. Just upload it manually. You'll actually have a package from Theme Forest which contains the documentation as well as the theme itself. Just obviously upload the theme file itself. Depending on the speed of your connection and the server and whatnot, this can take a few moments. As I'm doing this locally, it's all pretty quick. So once it's actually uploaded, we can just go ahead and hit the activate button, and as soon as you do, you will see a little notice pop up, which basically just tells us to install a few plugins which are used as the basis and the main power behind all our themes. So rather than messing through any individual one by one plugin installations, we've got a nice script in place which lets you all do this all from one click. So we'll just hit the button and begin installing plugins. There's only a few here. The ebook framework is what gives you the kind of custom post types, the options. The visual composer is pretty much the de facto standard in page builders, and contact form 7, because if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Basically, it's a fantastic plugin. We'll just go ahead and install all of these. Again, depending on the speed of your connection and whatnot, this can take a few moments. At best, pretty much during the whole phase, to get yourself a nice hot drink ready and just go through it all. Obviously we do provide documentation, so all this is covered. Just work your way through it, try and get an understanding of how the theme works, and go from there. Right, I'm just going to pause for a second while this video, while these plugins are uploading. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, that's all done. Once the plugins are successfully installed and activated, you'll see a notice and just ask you to return to the dashboard, and we will do that. So far, if we head over to the site and have a quick look what we've got, so you can see we've got a pretty nice looking but basic blog layout. You may notice this looks nothing like the demo, but that's because we're still very much at the early stages. We now need to import all of the demo content. Thankfully, this is something else we've made incredibly easy for you. Basically, within your admin area, head to Appearance and Customize, and within the options you'll see Union Demo Data, and just hit the button here to begin the process. Just before I do, basically this one can take a while. The process itself is bringing in all of the content and usually some blurred versions of the images. Because this can depend on not only the speed of your server but our server as well, it's best just to hit the button and simply not touch it until you get a notification telling you whether it's complete. I'm going to go ahead and hit that now. Just basically get a prompt asking us if we've installed all the required plugins. The reason for that being, if you miss the framework plugin, for instance, you'll probably get a notice that not all content could be imported. That's simply because the custom post types aren't registered at that point. But anyway, just as the notice says, we've actually installed all the required plugins, so we're good to go. We'll just hit OK and grab a cup of tea and wait for it to finish. Okay, now that's done, you can see we've got a little message there saying it's all finished. So we'll go ahead, and if we refresh, we'll take another look at the website and see what that's done. You'll notice that it's not actually done a huge amount at the moment. It's still looking like a standard blog, but that's basically because we've got the final couple of steps to fulfill, and we'll just go through those now. So from the theme options, if we head to settings and then reading, we just need to select one of the home pages, and obviously we'll just use the first one, and also a blog page as well, and hit save. And that will probably give you the biggest impact, because if we refresh the site once more, you can see here, there it is, looking absolutely outstanding. all very slick and light. And the final step, as it prompts you here, we just want to add a navigation so people can easily scroll up and down the website. So just head to Appearance, Menus, and the import process brought in the menu from the demo as well, so we can just go ahead and assign that to the slot provided. And for the final time, if we just refresh the site, there we go. You can see we've got the site set up just like the demo. It's taken us sort of no more than 5 minutes from the start, and it's ready for you to tweak as you wish. Obviously, anything else needed, just let us know in the support, and we'll help as best we can. Thanks.